Most users limit themselves by sticking to basic prompts, unaware of the advanced techniques that can truly unlock ChatGPT's capabilities. Many don't realize that experimenting with these methods can radically enhance productivity and creativity. Understanding these approaches not only allows you to work more efficiently, but also empowers you to produce higher quality results that stand out. Each tip builds on the last, creating a comprehensive toolkit for maximizing your experience with this powerful AI. So what are you waiting for? Let's put these strategies into action. Tip number 1 is to make it think before it answers, encouraging ChatGPT to engage in a deeper level of critical thinking. When you prompt ChatGPT with, "Please think step by step and reason through the problem carefully before giving your final answer," you invite more thorough responses. This approach is particularly effective for navigating complex tasks since it mimics human reasoning and enhances the depth of answers provided. By slowing down and methodically analyzing questions, you can extract richer insights that might otherwise be overlooked. Embrace this strategy to elevate the quality of your interactions with ChatGPT as you progress to the next tips. Tip number 2 emphasizes the importance of assigning ChatGPT a role. When you say something like, "You are a senior UX designer," explain this to a non-technical client. ChatGPT shifts its approach, offering insights tailored to the specified role. This method not only adjusts its tone and depth, but also transforms it into a virtual specialist. The clarity and relevance of its responses increase significantly, making it easier to communicate complex ideas to varied audiences. This tailored interaction is especially useful in professional settings where clear communication is vital. By giving a role, you're setting the stage for much richer dialogue. Tip number 3. Making ChatGPT challenge itself is a game changer for developing well-rounded ideas. When you instruct, "Now challenge your own answer," what would an expert in the opposite camp argue? You prompt a second layer of critical thinking that can uncover biases or alternative perspectives. This technique enriches discussions, especially when crafting balanced arguments or testing the viability of concepts. It's like having a built-in devil's advocate, pushing you to explore the merits and drawbacks of your ideas, which can ultimately lead to stronger conclusions and smarter decisions. Harness this strategy to elevate your writing and thought process. Tip number 4 is about formatting your responses like a pro using Markdown. If you want cleaner results that are ready to use, just request, "Format your answer in Markdown," with bold section headers and bullet points. This will give you structured and visually appealing responses without needing additional editing. It's particularly advantageous for tasks such as creating content for your blog, organizing tech documentation, or crafting detailed client reports. By taking advantage of this formatting option, you streamline your workflow and present your ideas more effectively. Tip number 5 focuses on the powerful feature of analyzing PDFs or documents. If you're a ChatGPT Plus user, you can share documents straight with the AI and ask it to analyze them for you. For instance, prompt it with, "Summarize this PDF into 5 key takeaways with a TLDR." This method is invaluable for anyone who deals with lengthy texts, such as students, researchers, or professionals needing to distill vital information quickly. No longer will you be burdened with the chore of skimming through multiple pages. Let ChatGPT extract the essentials while you focus on understanding the key points. Tip number 6 is all about using custom instructions to ensure consistency in ChatGPT's responses. By navigating to settings, you have the ability to craft a custom instruction such as, "I write for beginners. Keep the tone friendly and clear. Avoid jargon." This little adjustment allows ChatGPT to tailor its interactions according to your preferences, creating a more personalized experience. As a result, it becomes an assistant that understands your unique style, making it easier to resonate with your audience every time. This level of personalization ensures that your communications remain clear and relatable, no matter the context. Tip number 7 reveals a fantastic opportunity for content creators, teaching ChatGPT to write like you. Simply paste a sample of your writing and instruct, "Analyze my writing style. Match it in future responses." This allows the AI to replicate your tone, pacing, and even humor, making it a true extension of your voice. It's an invaluable resource for scaling content creation, as ChatGPT serves as your writing clone, capturing your unique flair while helping you produce an abundance of material. By harnessing this capability, you ensure that your content remains consistent and authentic across all platforms. These tips aren't just useful strategies. They represent a shift in how you can engage with ChatGPT for improved performance. By implementing even a couple of these techniques, you unlock a world of possibilities that can enhance your productivity, creativity, and overall output quality. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and watch how ChatGPT transforms your work into something outstanding.
Thanks for exploring these advanced tips with me today. Happy chatting.
By integrating these techniques into your workflow, you'll not only expand your mastery of ChatGPT, but also enhance the quality of your interactions. Remember, the goal is to leverage technology to boost your creativity and efficiency, making your work more impactful. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities that advanced AI tools offer for both personal and professional growth. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite tip, or one I didn't mention. And if you want to read these tips again, or copy the prompts directly, head over to techforstarters.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.